To get started, log in to your Canva account. This will bring you to the home screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Mindmap and hit Enter. Canva will display a variety of templates to choose from. Some templates have a crown or dollar sign, which means they require a paid subscription. If you want to use only free templates, look for the pricing indicator on each template and select the ones without a premium mark. This way, you'll only be using free templates. Scroll through the selection and choose the one that fits your needs. Take a moment to consider the overall structure you want for your mind map. Do you want something clean and minimal, or something more visual with icons and colors? Once you select a template, Canva might suggest related designs. You can explore those, but if you're happy with your choice, click on Customize this template. This will open the editor where you can start making changes. Editing a mind map in Canva is simple. Each text box and shape is customizable. If you want to change the central topic, click on the text and type in your own title. If the text doesn't fit inside the shape, you can resize the shape by dragging the white dots on the corners or adjust the font size. You can also change the font style and color from the toolbar at the top. Canva offers a variety of fonts to choose from, so select one that matches your style and is easy to read. To change the color of a shape, click on it and then select the color option at the top. Pick a new color that suits your design. You can repeat this process for all elements in your mind map. If you want to maintain a professional or branded look, stick to a color scheme that matches your brand or project. You can use Canva's color palette tool to find complementary colors. Now, let's start organizing ideas. The central topic represents the main goal. Branches extending from it represent key areas or tasks. For example, if you're making a mind map for a YouTube channel, your main topic could be YouTube growth. Branches might include make videos, collaborate, and marketing. Each of these main categories will then have subcategories that further define what needs to be done. Each branch can be broken down into more specific ideas. Under make videos, you could add subcategories like tutorials, entertainment, and news. You can duplicate and reposition arrows to create new connections. Click on an arrow, copy it, and move it to a new location. If it doesn't align properly, you can rotate it using the small circular handle. You can continue expanding the mind map by adding more branches. If you need to brainstorm more ideas later, you can always come back and update the design. Mind maps are flexible and can evolve as your plans develop. To keep things clear, use different colors or fonts for different sections. This makes it easier to read and understand at a glance. If you want to add icons, images, or other visual elements, Canva makes that easy as well. Click on elements in the left sidebar and search for icons related to your topic. Drag and drop them onto your mind map. This can make your design more engaging and visually appealing. When you're finished, rename your mind map by clicking on the title at the top. Type in a name that describes your project. Next, click on Share in the top right corner. If you want to download your mind map, select Download. Choose a file type such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. If you plan to print or share the mind map as a document, PDF Standard is a great choice. Click Download and Canva will save the file to your device. Now you have a fully customized mind map ready to use for planning, brainstorming, or sharing with your team. Canva automatically saves your designs so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. If you're ready to create stunning mind maps or any other design, Canva is the ultimate free tool to bring your ideas to life. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, with thousands of templates, easy-to-use features, and endless creative possibilities. Whether you're brainstorming, planning, or just having fun, Canva makes design simple and accessible. Ready to start designing like a pro? Click the link in the description to try Canva for free and unlock your creativity today.